I'm Ananya Banerjee and today I have got a French classic recipe for you. So stay with me and learn how to make Quiche Lorraine. First, flour. About 250 grams of flour I have taken. Ice cold butter, because butter when you knead it will melt. I don't want the butter to melt. So quite a bit of butter. With your hands just rub the butter like this so that the texture of this should be like a breadcrumb. After this, what I'll do is just add a little salt and one egg and slowly mix the dough with it. So what I'm doing now is I'm just scraping everything and bringing it together. A few drops of ice cold water. So I will take a large piece of cling wrap, put the dough on this, and then again I cover it up. I'm keeping place so that I can roll on this. This goes in the fridge for 10 minutes. I'll start with the filling for the quiche. A custard is made with cream, cheese and all things good, eggs. If you are adding just ham, then it becomes a quiche Lorraine. If you are just doing mushroom, then it becomes a mushroom quiche. You can do spinach and mushroom quiche, or a corn quiche, or a fish quiche, or a chicken quiche. Endless variety you can make, but the basic is to make the custard. So here it goes. Inside the cream I'll just break eggs and whisk it very well so that the egg is totally incorporated in the cream. I'll add some mixed herbs. It's any Italian or French herbs you can use. This will flavor the quiche. So after this comes the cheese, lots of it. Here also you can use cheddar, Gouda, Camembert, any cheese of your liking. So my custard is absolutely ready. I have taken the dough out of the fridge now. So I'll open it up and slowly I'll just roll out the dough. Now take one cling film out and put my dough against this, and then slowly and steadily take this out and put it in the tin. Just arrange it well, make a proper base. This is how you start quiche Lorraine. So my short crust pastry dough is rolled out in a quiche pan and it's like this, hollow. Now I'm going to add first some onion, bell peppers and celery. I've just sauteed it lightly in a pan and I'm using that. This is also optional. Then some good quality ham. Lots of it actually, because quiche Lorraine basic is ham. Some more, just onion, capsicum, and then I fill this up with the custard what I have made. Now this will go in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes in 180 degrees centigrade. So after half an hour, my quiche Lorraine is baked and done, and it looks as gorgeous like this. This should be cooled down and eaten at room temperature. This for you, my friends, quiche Lorraine, a French classic. If you like this video, do try this at home and like, comment, share and subscribe.